Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 20th, 2024, and we're diving into the third quarter earnings report of Simmons First National. Joining us is John, our Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to discuss Simmons First National's latest earnings report and what it means for investors.
Great. Let's get started with an overview of the company and the highlights from their Q3 2024 earnings report.
Simmons First National is a financial holding company based in the Mid-South, known for its strong regional presence and comprehensive financial solutions. In their latest report, they highlighted a net income of $24.7 million and adjusted earnings of $46 million for the third quarter of 2024.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Simmons First National reported a net income of $24.7 million for the third quarter of 2024. How does this compare to previous quarters, John?
Well, the net income has decreased from $40.8 million in the second quarter of 2024 and $47.2 million in the third quarter of 2023. However, on an adjusted basis, earnings were $46 million, which is an improvement from the previous quarter's $41.9 million. This indicates that the company is managing its core operations effectively despite some headwinds.
And what about their earnings per share?
The diluted earnings per share for Q3 2024 was 20 cents, down from 32 cents in Q2 2024. However, the adjusted diluted EPS was 37 cents, up from 33 cents in the previous quarter, reflecting the company's ability to maintain profitability through strategic adjustments.
Operational efficiencies and strategic initiatives. John, Simmons First National has been focusing on operational efficiencies. Can you elaborate on their net interest income and margin?
Absolutely. The net interest income for Q3 2024 was $157.7 million, up from $153.9 million in Q2 2024. The net interest margin also improved to 2.74%, up 5 basis points from the previous quarter. This improvement is largely due to higher loan yields and stable deposit costs.
They also made a strategic decision to sell certain securities. What was the impact of this move?
Yes, they sold approximately $252 million of available-for-sale securities, which resulted in a $21 million after-tax loss. However, this move was part of their balance sheet optimization strategy, allowing them to pay off higher-rate wholesale funding and improve their overall financial position.
Asset quality and risk management. Let's talk about asset quality. How is Simmons First National managing its credit risk?
The provision for credit losses was $12.1 million in Q3 2024, slightly up from $11.1 million in Q2 2024. The allowance for credit losses on loans ended the quarter at 1.35%, indicating a prudent approach to managing potential credit risks.
And what about their non-performing loans?
The non-performing loan ratio was 0.59%, a slight improvement from 0.60% in the previous quarter. This shows that Simmons is effectively managing its loan portfolio, maintaining a stable credit environment.
Capital and liquidity position. John, how does Simmons First National's capital and liquidity position look?
Their total shareholders' equity increased to $3.5 billion, with an equity-to-assets ratio of 12.94%. The tangible common equity ratio also improved to 8.15%, reflecting a strong capital base. Additionally, their loan-to-deposit ratio remained stable at 79%, indicating a balanced approach to funding and lending.
These metrics suggest a solid financial foundation. Would you agree?
Absolutely. Simmons First National's strong capital and liquidity positions provide a buffer against economic uncertainties and support their growth strategies.
Key takeaways. In summary, Simmons First National has demonstrated resilience in the third quarter of 2024, with strong operational efficiencies and a solid capital position. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Simmons First National is well positioned to navigate the current economic environment. Their strategic initiatives and strong financial metrics make them an attractive option for investors looking for stability and growth potential.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Simmons First National's performance in the comments below.